Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. So viewers and subscribers, you see I cover a story earlier where I talk about a man who is a bus driver, who also is a bike rider people, who goes by the name of Lennox, who was killed people. And I tell you in that blog people that listen here, me is a man, me no like bike, me no want to ride bike, me no even want to ride on no bike with nobody. Me no, you understand people, because yo, bike something there, boy. Only just season he knows. Now viewers and subscribers, news has reached to NEWLINK now about another incident about a bike accident people, and this is where two men was killed. And for tell the people, these men were on separate bikes and these two bike head on, you know what I mean people, and boy them no make it. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK, I tell you about this bike man. So viewers and subscribers, let me just read this thing so you can get a brief understanding of where the attacking boss I talk about. Jaja. Two motorcyclists died after colliding head-on in Somerton, St. James on Sunday. The deceased men have been identified as 54-year-old construction worker and farmer Philip White and a 21-year-old auto mechanic Aldre O'Connor, both of Somerton. Reports are that at about 10:55 a.m., White and O'Connor were driving their respective Zhujiang motorcycles in opposite directions along a section of the roadway in Somerton when they collided head-on. The two bikers were thrown from their motorcycles and received head and body injuries and died on the spot. The D0UBLE police are investigating. Jaja. So viewers and subscribers, the way them pronounce the name ya, Zhujiang, but basically, I think of them something we call the Yang them. You understand? Yeah man, them bikes up me people, honestly. Me no, boy, me and them on a friend. You understand? Me and it on a friend people. Me love watch the bike of them when them rev them out and them roll them out and see the girl them cock up on them with them big bumper up in the ear and them something there. But for the real level people, you won't see the attacking boss riding one. And I don't want to learn. All if I can ride it, I don't want to try it. I don't want to go near. You know what I mean, people? That's how me not in a nothing with bike. Because look on it now. Two man gone in the people. One 54-year-old, one 21-year-old young local youth. And they are from the same community. Them from the same district people. Just imagine now. Two of them get head on it and dead on the spot. What could I go so? What could I real so? What? They were in a different. Me don't understand this people because them are ride in a separate, you understand, direction. And so basically, where the other one do on the other side, or basically the next one lose control for the other one, and boy, only just season he knows. You understand? But may the soul rest in peace. And for the bike riders, them at Jamaica, yo, you need to be careful and cautionate. No joke thing out there. You understand? Ride with more care. Less speed, they bike them fast, but yo, so much life have been seen lost because of motorcycle. People, I don't have nothing to do with them. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is the attacking boss and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. I just more love people, more respect. Be good, be great, and be safe out there upon the journey. And remember, attack. Big up on yourself, man. Peace out. I'm out.